Hey, Mazzi Dibia, onye mkpọtụ. I can go long epistle. Mazzi Dibia Dejeru for the Ebube Muonso. Amadu Nnaka nọ na talking stage. Echekwa nesi go na talking stage pụọ baa na action stage. Ịghọtara? Ife akụnụ ya bịa na social media na-enyegharị mkpọtụ. Ife akụnụ ya bịa na social media na-enyegharị mkpọtụ. Ekwuru m, I made reference to so many places where you have used as an advantage to make noise. It's just that our people with short memory, they forget easily. Because na far other forget easily. Before they even start waiting for you again to know the outcome of Ife Ine-Achel Ikije with Ebube Muonso, Father Ebube Muonso, they will first of all ask you, I made reference to those instances where you came out to brag, you threatened court action, you even threatened physical action. So it is no more you suing for the Ebube Muonso. It is now you waiting for the Ebube Muonso to take legal action because of the little noise in a making on social media, which we have gotten used to. And you are even moved by his silence towards you. Do you think that you are somebody enough for Father Ebube Muonso in his high place to respond to you? As what? What is different from your noise and the noise people like you and Matthias Fane make all this while? What is different? So I wonder what you consider different now this particular one that you are waiting for Father Ebube Muonso to give validity to that noise in a make. It is now you asking him now to send you a court summon or to take a legal action against you for doing what exactly? I watched the video you made clearly concerning that particular video getting this worked up, where you said that you are going to send Father Ebube Muonso to prison. So the journey to send our father to the prison has not yet started. Is that what you are telling me? Eh? The journey to send Father Ebube Muonso to the prison ebidobo ekanona talking and the ide exchange words kaya sina no ụmụ no na n'ime afia na-ele tomato. Eh? I still watch the video. At the end of the day, if you in your house address, I mean in your office address Nanando, near your office address Noka, that now let me tell you, Wabizagon, ki gente here. Gente here boys okay woku. Ishoro ke Ebube Muonso, Father Ebube Muonso, sorry. Ka Father Ebube Muonso biako walogo ife duna ntu or mmadụ na-eji na ala Okite ahụ egbuo. In other words, you want to redeem the image of Okite as far as Anambra State is concerned. Because obviously, Father Ebube Muonso na-enye aka wee na-akọtọsị Okite ahụ according to you, which is part of the symbol of your culture and tradition, not my own. Now, ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ na ịha aghọtacha or na ịha achịkọtacha, you should know that the first place for you to start redeeming the image of that Okite, to show people that that Okite is not as evil as into the Madu situation, is by defeating Governor Soludo first. Defeating government first in a court against Onyeze Jesus, against Ekehit, against Arose Makwadananka, and many of them. You were there when Akwokoko was convicted and he was sent to prison for the same Okite which you are portraying to be sent, which you are portraying to be holy things na Igbo, according to our culture and tradition. You were not there to use that cleric office in Onoka to go and challenge government na court, which of course you also throw in that word ban only for people who need guarantee and those people in entertain. Now that's your page for them to always be clapping. Why it's obvious that they are not seeing the reflection of that action on the ground. So you just want to seek validity ka Father Ebube Muonso bia meru kedo relevant enough by him responding to mo ukukele kudokayo. Onye ke ewu Father Ebube Muonso yeji we respond to you. Onye ke ewu na Anambra State, onye ke ewu na Nando. Eh? That is the question. Who are you to your people, Nanando? Who are you to we, the people of Anambra State, for Father Ebube Muonso to come and respond to you? As what? Can even a pussy against Father Ebube Muonso do different from even Matthias Nando, Sonny Neku, expect legal action? If he's even going to take a legal action against you, are you the person who is going to determine his own action towards you? You have taken your step and your position to say this is what you want to do. You want to send Father Ebube Muonso to prison for labeling Okite Ebu Mado that no ye provide blah 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 blah. All that things you put to spice it up. But I am telling you, for the sake of dignity, if you feel like na mmadu kwuo no ebu agụ, mmadu kwuo no ebu ọkụkọ, obu ọkụkọ, okwuo no ebu ehi, obu ehi, okwuo no ebu efi, obu efi, obiazie nezielu obodo isi gba ha no ya adọwu ọdụmma no ebu agụ. Ndị mmadụ aka na-eme expect no ka ebu nwa agụ. The journey to redeem the face of Okite in Anambra State should start with the already existing case or contest with the government, where the government has labeled the practice of that Okite null and void in Anambra State. In Anambra State, you should start by trying to engage the government, prove to the government that Okite is not as bad as Ife Pentire before he show ship validity, or ship relevance with Father Ebube Muonso Nuke. If you think you have a, why can't you bring it on? Why are you still talking? Why are you still talking? I can feel so if I'm Nanka for long epistle or Kawolo, you are still trying to see if there is a way you can trigger for the Ebube Muonso to send you a, was that the content of the first video email with regard to this? Why are you running now, trying to shift the narrative as if now the action is hanging on the shoulder of Ebube Muonso? You threatened action. You should go ahead and take that action. As for prophecy, if you want to hear prophecy, go and join Father Ebube Muonso Distant Adoration Luke. Go and join that page where you will see a prophecy that you will run. Okay, no one a prophecy now. No if you know that prophecy. Prophecy, you should go and prove it. How can you be asking him Madu 20 that gonna have prophesy when there are more than 500 to 1,000 prophecies? Any good people not there for you to see. What else are you looking for? What else are you looking for? At least now this prophecy now people openly, people not fear. Majority of these prophecies, what of phone na makosin dem madego? Na kolo haja brother every day ana ajụ ndụ ọdụkwo na asị nka njọgụ ndụ adụkwo na nzuzo ana anakosi ndị mmadụ ego na agbara ha afa. Can sit down. It also na achọ cheap popularity. Thank God that Father Ebube Muonso is not even giving you that attention. Was onye kwa that attention kiti wuru kwa chai no na enu gị isi ọlụrụ oke kwuru ọbịa dana anya onwe ife ime 5 bridge ga ebe a. Government we go say na how government inwe nwodu liver oda church one yesu inwe nwodu liver ije ka ije mago Father Ebube Muonso, you are waiting for him to, don't worry, ife ye emegi yari ama mbo ye emegi nọrọ na akwụgharị ọkwa ana na-ele ọkụ n'aha mmanụ ọsị na ahụ amake ọkpana na-ele ọkụ n'aha mmanụ ọsị na ahụ amake. Nsogbu adọrọ from text long text idere afọ agomo the behavior of a coward. You are now beginning to shift the narrative that the action do see hanging on Father Ebube Muonso and no more you. By the way, somebody like me have been waiting for you to bring it on. And I was born or say that entertain umuoko na chala na aru ni ya na chala na cho nde yedu ha na agba ni complete. Also nya ife no to the kugarewa na mmiri kugarewa na okwu alose kugarewa na okwu alose from morning to night. Actually je ko to nwa na okwu my mom. Go. Actually je ko to nwa. Mazzi Dibia. Etu aka isi a wash you. We are washing you.